everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
So I will be the next presenter. So my topic will be feed intake and nutrient digestibility in cattle and carabaos. So understanding the digestive system of cattle and carabao. So first is cattle digestive system. Please read Miss Pendo.
Cattle digestive system. For example, stomach, chamber, lumen, reticulum, or mushroom, abomasum, or efficient fiber digestion.
Then the carabao digestive system. So it is similar to ruminant structure but adapted for coarser and fibrous tropical forages. So carabaos are more efficient at processing rough tropical forage while yung cattle is generally fed a higher quality feed and mas sila sa cooler climate. Yeah, that's the carabao. Then the microbial fermentation. So both rely on symbiotic microbes to break down cellulose and extract nutrients. So yung symbiotic microbes is ito yung mga bacteria, fungi, and protozoa that engage the long-term and interaction with other organisms. So yung symbiotic microbes is hinahelp nyo ma-breakdown yung mga cellulose. Yung cellulose is a primary structural component of plant cell walls. Next is the factors affecting feed intake in cattle and carabao. Get lang?
Yes.
So first is the feed quality. Palatability and nutrient density influence feed quality, palatability and nutrient density influence voluntary intake. So palatability and nutrients are crucial. So kasi even if yung feed is rich in nutrients but has poor palatability, so yes, it can lead to reduced intake and negating its potential benefits.